Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jadip Patil, working as Assistant Professor in AISSMS IIT College Pune. Now in this video lecture, I'm going to explain you Bellman-Ford algorithms, which is introduced in subject Design and Analysis of Algorithms of TIT 2015 course. Okay, the Bellman-Ford algorithm. The Bellman-Ford algorithm is an algorithm that computes shortest path from single source vertex to all the other vertices in the weighted diagram. Actually, it is capable of handling graphs in which some of the edge weights are negative numbers. Okay, so this is a Bellman-Ford algorithm. Initially, we have to set the distance of source vertex from source vertex as a 0, and for all the remaining vertices except source vertices, we have to set the distance of p, distance of that particular vertices as infinity from source vertex. Okay, so for that, if there is n number of vertices, then we have to follow the next step n minus 1 times. So here the n is a number of vertices. Okay, so suppose if you are going from h or vertex u to v, then h u v that belongs to set of e. So in that case, distance of vertex v from source is greater than distance of u plus distance of weight of uv. Then in that case, we can set the distance of vertices as a new one. Okay, so for each edge uv that belongs to edge set, if distance of that vertex is greater than distance of u plus weight of uv, then in that case we can report the negative weight cycles exist in that graph. Okay, at the end, distance of p is nothing but distance of source to given vertices if no negative weight cycles is there. And last, time. So time complexity is nothing here is big of v. So v and e is approximately n. So we can say that time complexity is big of n square. Okay. Okay. So in this graph, there are total 5 vertices, and we have to calculate the distance of all the vertices from that source vertices. So initially, distance of source vertex from that source vertex is 0. Okay, so we can add 0 and others are set as to infinities. Okay, in first step, from a to b there is a distance minus 1. Okay, initially it was infinity in minus 1, whichever is less we can put this. Okay, next one, from a to c there is a direct path, so it's 4. In next step, this is minus 1 and this is 4. So at next level, from a to c, you can see minus 1 plus 3 2. So this is our first step. We have to do relaxation for n minus 1 times. Okay, this is first relaxation. And second step, again from these 3 nodes, this is 2 and this is my minus 1. So from minus 1 to 2, this will be 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 2 1, this will be 2 2 plus 5, this will be 7, and from minus 1 to 2, this will be next level. So as per diagram, you can see here, this will be 0, this will be minus 1, c will be 2, d is here infinity in that step. Okay, and next level e is a 1. Okay, so 1 is calculated as minus 1 plus 2 1. From next level, this will be minus 1, or from this 1 minus 3 2, so this will be minus 2. So after all the relaxation, you will get the exact solution. Okay, means we have to follow these steps up to n minus 1 times. Okay, so this is a Bellman-Ford algorithms application. We use Bellman-Ford for calculating shortest path in routing algorithms. Okay, in that case, in case of best case complexity, there is no any relaxation found, so we can say that uh, complexity is big of n. And in case of average case complexity and worst case complexity, there we have to follow the steps into vertex into edge minus number of edges. So in that case, complexity is big of n square. Okay, for this we use the references as wikipedia.org, slideshare.net and geeks post geeks.